Tico took the W!
Hansi and Tico beat the Ender Dragon.
All of my dreams in life have come true. Good job.
These glasses help you see when you're about to reach your mental capacity, if you're struggling to focus or write the next line, and when you've achieved the flow state. These glasses know when your eyes are strained before you do and can tell you when you need to take a break. These glasses can see whether you're focused on a book, a screen, or something farther. Blinks and fixations to the millisecond, and measure your pupils to the micron, and interpret your gaze with incredible accuracy. These glasses can even capture details of some of the fastest movements in the human body, like saccades, the ultra-short, ultra-fast jumps as your eyes move from one object to another. With MindLink Air, you can prevent eye strain, prevent mental fatigue, and monitor your cognitive load, giving you insights to study, read, game, drive, create, and work to your full potential.
Look at this. Oh my God! Isn't it great?
Chris!
I know, it's my dream.
I have goosebumps everywhere. This is out of this world.
By Odoki, a Norwegian sex tech company, and it's not your typical vibrator. This one uses an LRA motor, which is the same kind as you'll find in a PlayStation controller. The idea is that you can customize your experience using sound waves. You can tweak the frequency and amplitude of the vibrations to suit your tastes. And you can actually use it with other content platforms. For example, you can pair it with Spotify, and the frequency and intensity of the vibrations will adjust based on the song's beat. You can see me trying out a demo here.
That's actually the beat, and you can feel it vibrate.